Hi guys, nagluto ko og bihon. You know, Filipino loves bihon. This is our, you know what before? May nanagid kong nagtinga na ng tinsina kaya nga magsunan is bihon. This is our survival food at home. Basta bihon ang gali among sunan. Mag-uol na ka kay managid nila nagkikwarta. Of course, I cooked the meat from Thai chicken, and this is my chicken Thai na ako sikuan o meat. I make it chicken adobo. Yes, very yummy. Our dinner. This is not our normal bihon because I don't know where to buy a bihon like the same in the Philippines. I think this is Thai bihon. But tastes like the same, but it's not really the bihon that we normally have in the Philippines. Yun, biya. Kami siya. Our favorite dish in the Philippines, our survival food, bihon. Yum. See you in my next one, guys. Good night.